Folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you from Pine Island down in Florida once again. Now, something people don't talk a lot about from Hurricane Ian is the effect on the wildlife from Hurricane Ian. Now, if we look around at the trees, we can see some of them are growing back, but these things are pretty doggone sparse. So the question is today, where have the birds gone? I mean, there's not a lot of places to nest. A lot of problems finding places to raise your little hatchlings. Where would they go? Well, it turns out the Turbine Guy family has new members. Walk into my garage area here. Look at this. Mama bird built a nest right in here and has several hatchlings going right now. There we have 3 little birdies in the nest, looking for a little bit of food, a little bit of mommy. Well, we got some new family members because of Hurricane Ian, and that's just A-okay with the Turbine Guy. I've even set up a little bit of a soft landing for when the birdies come out of the nest. New family, new friends. Turbine Guy signing off.